Well now, it was just another Sunday, dust in the air, hot dogs burning, everybody watching the gate like usual when somebody said, "Here comes Warren Reid again looking calm, helmet crooked, gloves already on. No flash paint, no big display, but don't blame now, we might just play. Factory bike, private to the grin, nobody sure how he got back in. He don't talk much, just gives a nod like, relax boys, I've been here before."
Oh, here comes the Joker.
What?
Oh, here comes the Joker.
Well, slipping through the pack again like he planned it all from the start, my friend.
Oh, here comes the Joker. Oh, here comes the Joker.
All right, laughing all the way to the flag with a working man's heart and a wild card line. Saddleback sun beating down, Hangtown crowds start gathering round. Carlsbad wind in the open class, somebody yells, "Man, that boy's fast." 1 week sixth, next week strong, nobody knows what he's riding on. Different colors, same old trick, don't look now, he's passing quick.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
No plan.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
Oh man, sliding through another road like he found a door nobody else cut.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
That's him.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
All hard. Never showed his hand at all, still played it right from the very start. Some folks race loud, some folks race proud, some need the crowd to say their name. But every now and then there's one who just rides and messes up the whole game. Unadilla mud, Southwick sand, Pontiac lights in a steady hand. Years roll by, bikes change fast, still out there giving them a pass. When the noise fades, trophies rest, he walks away, passing the test. Didn't chase the hype or gold, just rode the truth till he got old.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
No fear,
Oh, here comes the Joker.
still roll. If you know the sport, you know the name. If you don't, well, that's okay.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
True right.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
Also, never folded, never fake, just played it clean from gate to goal. Now the gate does not drop each week, but the lessons from the track still speak. Different race, a different role, building a life with heart and soul. From racing lines to guiding hands, trading trophies for family plans. The calm he carried to every start, he carried home inside his heart. Here comes the Joker, still riding strong. Different track, but the same life song. Here comes the Joker, laughing clear, winning in ways that last for years.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
You know the name,
And white gear fire,
steady flame,
Lord, here comes the Joker.
no disguise, truth in the throttle, steel in the eye.
Oh, here comes the Joker.
Through every year, not just a racer, still right here.
Here is the Joker.
And that is the thing about jokers, sometimes they are not joking at all. Sometimes they are simply steady, steady at the gate, steady at home, steady when it matters most. Number Warren Reid.